Three signs na financially healthy ka. Sign number 1, meron kang emergency fund. Kapag may bigla ang gastos, medical, masira ang sasakyan, or any emergency, hindi ka natataranta. Meron kang nakatabing pera pang salo. You are ready. Sign number 2, wala kang utang. Hindi ka stress tuwing sweldo dahil wala kang utang. O kung meron man, kaya mo siyang bayaran on time. Kagaya ng credit card installment, pero bayad agad every due date. Sign number 3, you save and invest regularly. Hindi ka lang basta nag-iipon. May certain percentage ng sweldo mo ang automatic na napupunta sa investments mo. Hindi mo na siya iniisip, automatic na. Routine na siya para sa'yo. For travel, business, or even retirement, pinaghahandaan mo na ang future mo. Kung meron ka kahit 2 signs dito, good job. You are on your way to financial freedom. Don't forget to follow us for more financial tips.